So this is my poster on identifying barriers to exercise. Me and my group wanted to do a project about how there's an overall decline in health in the US, and this is due partially because people don't exercise enough. So our project was based off the hypothesis that there are differences in socioeconomic statuses and factors that play into socioeconomic status, such as education level and income, that affect how people exercise, whether or not they exercise, if they know how to exercise. So we did a survey for people ages 18 to 65. We chose that age range because those people are part of the working class and are considered adults at that age, and this is based off of adults. Kids and elderly have other specific barriers to their populations that were not addressed in our survey. So the survey took about 5 to 10 minutes. It was just for people in the US. Things differ in other countries a lot with exercise. But what we noticed was that a lack of time was, across the board, a big factor in people not exercising, as well as education. People not knowing enough, not knowing how often to exercise, or really how to exercise. And then there were more specific factors to each population, such as older people had more problems with health, but those were specific. So what we learned from this is that there are some factors that are affected by socioeconomic status, but most factors which affect exercise are found to some degree in every status. And something that will help even this out is having more exercise education type classes for everyone, so that they'll carry those habits on throughout their adulthood and whole lives. So this was my project. Thank you for listening.